Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I've got here 99 Toyota Tacoma, it's a 4-wheel drive. I got here today, first time. I never work on this vehicle, so I will be doing thorough inspection. But right away, when I opened the hood after the very short test drive, I felt it's pretty hot here, so I immediately looked on the cooling fan and the clutch, right? The clutch is that part down there. You see the fins, that's the clutch. The clutch is basically filled with the special liquid, and that should keep rotating the fan, right? But the fan needs to be slipping a little bit, but it cannot be too soft. And if you looked on this clutch, I believe it's slightly on the way out, right? Because it's letting me to rotate that fan a little bit way too much. This should be more resistance in it, and when it's doing so many turns, I will definitely have to put it in the comments for the owner, because there's not enough resistance. And if he will be going somewhere over the hills, let's put it this way, right, where there will be a lot of load, he might have a heavy load in the back of the truck, and going over the hills, he might actually have a problem with overheating. So this is one of the things, right, you need to keep your eyes on. Now it's winter time, so he probably will not see it on his gauge, but if the winter will pass and then he will be heading towards to the summer, definitely he should be aware of that might be a problem. And it was just very short video for someone who might own this truck and is questioning how this cooling fan clutch is. Thank you for watching, and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.